Now, this is how you can erase your iPhone remotely. Now, if you are new to the channel, make sure you are subscribed so you never miss anything important. Now, what you need to do is to locate an iPhone and have some device as a backup. So you can use another iPhone or iPad with the same Apple ID being signed in. On that phone, you open up the Find My application, which is indicated by this green looking circle. And you get inside and you can see all of your devices on a map, basically. So from the list, you need to find the device which you want to erase remotely, and you just gonna click on it like that. You can see all of the available information is gonna appear, like the last known location. You can play sound or enable lost mode. But what you can do also is to erase this device, which just means that the phone will practically become empty and you can do it from a distance. Most likely you will need to confirm your identity by signing into your Apple ID account and typing in the password. But after you go through all of the process, you'll be ready to go and essentially done with it. So let me know below in the comments if it did work for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll catch you later.